So today we're going to be learning a dance challenge and it looks like this. Anyways, without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin and today I'm going to be teaching you this challenge called CHICO. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel for more dance tutorials. Anyways, without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. So this is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. So our first move, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be on your chest, yeah? So you're gonna be facing your right, and then your hands are gonna go like a duck or a bird. I don't know which one you prefer to use. But then this is what you're gonna do, yeah? You're gonna push your chest inside, and then your hands are gonna go out like that. And then you're gonna bring them out again, and then you're gonna hold your chest and then bring it inside. So it's either you're gonna do this or you're gonna use your hands like this, yeah? Choose, yeah? So our first move is 1, 2. Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, and then you go 2, right? Nice. And then you want to do a wave. So your right hand is gonna go 1, 2. Did you get it? And then your left hand is coming from the bottom. So your left hand goes up, your right hand goes down. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Did you get it? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes 1, 2. Let's try and mix it up together. This is our first step. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2. So there's this thing that you do when you go 1, 2. You continue, yeah, da, da, 1, 2. You just continue the groove, yeah. Perfect. Let's try it. First step again in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 1, 2. You get it? Perfect. Now we're gonna do the second step. The second step, we're gonna do a move called the network. The network, you use your left and your right, and then you move like that, yeah? So you move sideways. That's how you do it. You get it? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You crouch a little bit, and then you go 1, you go 2, you go 3. Try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna use your hands. Your hands are gonna go inside, inside, inside. So you're gonna, when you put your leg here, your hands go in there, in there, in there. You get it? Let's try together. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Again in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Nice. We wanna go from the top. 5, 6, 7. We go Chico, that's on me, Chico. 3. All right, we move on. So our next move is gonna be a clap and then a clap. 2 claps. So you go pa, right? Let's go from the network and then we do our clap in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3. Right? And then we want to use your right. You want to use your right to go forward. And then you're going to do this famous TikTok move. Right? So the move is 4 counts. Without the hands, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? Let's start from the count. 5, 6, 7. Count. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Network. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Count. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you are doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to use your hands. Your hands are going there. Yeah, it's just like a wah, 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 wah. Get it? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chico pa, da 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 da, chica da da, chica Nice, nice, nice. Sharp on the top in 5, 6, 7. Go, Chico. As I'm Chico. Go, Chico. Chico. So after your 4 counts, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna use your left to go 1, 2. Do you get it? So when you go 1, you put your hand there, and then you pull. So you go 1, and then you go 2. Did you get it? 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2. Right? From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2. Did you get it? And then you're gonna cross your hands on your chest, and then you're gonna put them down, and then you're gonna put them here, and then you're gonna wave your waist. Your waist is gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Let's try it from the 4 steps in 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. We go 1, 2, ka, 1. We go 2, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go Chico ta, na 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 na, Chico ta, ta 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 ta, Chico ta ta ta, Chico. So now we're gonna try with the same pace that we've been learning, and then after that we'll try and do it the pace of the song, and then after that we're gonna try it with the song. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2. You go 1, 2. You go network, network, network. Ta ta. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2. There. You go 1, 2, and you go 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Try it with the pace of the song in 5, 6, 7. Now I want to try it with the song. Let's go. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much if you watched until this end. If you learned something and you enjoyed the video, feel free to support and donate to the channel. Feel free to donate and to support this channel. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the video. Peace.